Hello. Today I'm gonna make, or right now I'm gonna make dal. I made it once before, and I filmed it, but my son was filming it, and he was playing also at the same time. So the video didn't turn out very good. So I'm making it again. Here I have lentils, some sugar, dehydrated spinach. I'm guessing this is about 100 grams. I'm gonna add some pastrnak and onion, broccoli, carrots. This is the dehydrated, it's spray dried probably, coconut milk, and coconut cream. This is a pack of tomato and basil soup, and I have about 1/4 left. I'm gonna use all of that. So 1/4 of the soup is about 2 deciliters. I don't need that much water, so it's gonna make maybe 1 or 1.5 deciliters of water. I got some veggie stock, broth, turmeric, and yeah, let's get to it, because I want to get things done. I'm in a hurry. I still need to make it. So why not film it at the same time, right? Alright, so to make lentils, I tried making it the regular way, and that would be just putting the lentils in the pouch with all the other ingredients, and when you boil of the water, you just leave it there. And the lentils turn out to be a little bit too hard, and they're not cooked enough for me. So I figure out another way, and that's I bring the lentils to a boil with the water. That means I would need to rinse them before, which I do when I'm going to eat it. Now, you don't need to rinse them either. I mean, it's just a matter of taste of your own, not the flavor of the food. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to boil them with the water. That's why I have them here in a separate plastic bag. This is 1.5 deciliters of lentils. You boil it, red lentils. You boil it. You add, I think it said 1.5 times or 2 times the amount of water. So if it's 2 times, then I would need 3 deciliters of water to bring this to a boil. So there I know I have 3 deciliters of water. I have 1.5 deciliters of water for the soup. That makes it 4.5. I have 54 grams, that was what was left in the pack, of coconut cream, which it said you need 60 grams for 1.5 deciliters of water. So that makes it 6 deciliters of water. So I know I have about 6 deciliters of water. Veggies, they're going to hydrate. The spinach is going to hydrate. So yeah, start off with 6 deciliters of water, and if you need more, you just add more. So bring about 7 deciliters of water to boil, and then you add it later when it's almost done. I do this way that I add it when I bring the water to a boil, and I put it in the pouch, stir it, put a little less water in the pouch and stir it, and the water obviously is going to get a little bit colder. It's going to get cold for about 10 minutes. So if it's still like warm, I add it in the end because I want to eat it right away, so it makes the food a little bit colder, and that's good because the kids are going to burn their mouth if the water is too hot, if the food is too hot. So I killed 2 birds with 1 stone, right? I don't know how much this onion is going to make. I'm putting half a deciliter of onion got this much pastrami. It's just for texture, it's not anything special. There. Gonna add the spinach. The coconut cream, coconut milk. Some carrots. Some broccoli for texture. And now we add the spices. I'll add 1 tablespoon of veggie stock. Yeah. Same thing again, right? I'll add, in my opinion, turmeric doesn't have much flavor, it just adds color. It's an ingredient in curry, obviously, to make it yellow. I'll add 1.5 teaspoons, or make it 2 teaspoons. Yeah, and I forgot one ingredient. Ginger. And I add some celery salt. Why I use celery salt instead of regular salt is because of the umami. And also that's why I use veggie broth. 1/2 teaspoon. Umami is, I've learned, it's taste. It's what makes, like when you make stock, that's what makes it, you feel that it has something more than just water in it. Some people call it roundness. It's round, it's a round flavor. Because if you just heat up water and add salt, you're just gonna have salty water. But in the stock, you have another flavor. It's not just a flavor. It's like it makes it a little bit more what to call it. Well, it has something. That has something in it, not just water, even though it's basically just water, but there's something more than just water. Yeah, so I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar, maybe 1/4 teaspoon. The sugar takes away the sourness and the tomato, or the sourness in the lentils that we're gonna boil up. The thing that comes out of food. Yeah, this is done. I'm not gonna forget the lentils. It's 144 grams plus lentils. That's a big portion. It's 291 grams. So maybe we're just gonna have lentils for one day, right? Here are all the ingredients, and yeah. $2.89.